Hi everyone, struggling with CenturyLink internet, slow speed, no services, or other issues? This guide will help you fix it fast. Why CenturyLink internet issue occurs? CenturyLink internet issue can occur due to various reasons, including weak Wi-Fi signals, overloaded networks, wireless interface from other devices, faulty equipment like router or a modem, outdated networking software, and service outages or maintenance by CenturyLink. Fix 1. Check for outages. Service outages can affect many users in your area, and knowing this can save your time troubleshooting. Sign into CenturyLink website or app. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Check for notifications on service outages. Fix to access device performance. Check if any older devices are connected to your network as they may not support higher speeds and could be slowing down the entire network. Devices manufactured a few years ago may have outdated hardware that limits their performance. Compare speed results across different devices to identify any that are underperforming. Ensure antivirus protection. Malware and virus can significantly affect your internet performance. Make sure all your devices have up to date antivirus software installed and perform regular scans to detect and remove any threats. CenturyLink subscribers can access McAfee protection to free on multiple devices. Evaluate network congestion. Be aware that multiple devices connected simultaneously can lead to congestion, particularly during peak usage times. If many users are streaming videos or gaming at once, it may be beneficial to stagger usage or upgrade your internet plan for higher bandwidth. Restart your device. Restarting the device clears out temporary glitches and resolve internet problems. Unplug your modem or a router and the power cord from the power source. Wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging the power cord back in first. Once all lights on the modem are stable and green, check your internet connection. Device restart. Restart your computer, smartphone, or a tablet to refresh the network connection. On Windows, open command prompt and type shutdown or R. Android, press and hold the power button, then select restart or reboot. On iOS, press and hold the side button and either volume button until the slider appears. Then drag the slider to turn off and press the side button again to turn it back on. Check wired connections. Ensure the power cord and DSL cord is securely connected to both the wall outlet and the modem's power port. Check that the Ethernet cord is properly connected to both the computer and an Ethernet port on the modem, trying different ports if necessary. Connect using Ethernet cable. If you are using Wi Fi, try connecting your laptop or a PC directly to the router. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into an available Ethernet port on the router. Connect the router end of the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port on your computer or a device. If it works, fine, you need to reconnect your device to the Wi Fi signal. Check connection status. Connect the device to your network via Wi Fi or an Ethernet cable directly to the modem. Open a web browser and enter HTTP 192.168.0.1. Log in with the admin username and admin password. Navigate to the modem status section. Check the downstream rate, download speed in the modem status table. If the downstream rate is close to your planned speed, the slowdown is likely due to Wi Fi setup, household traffic, or devices. If the downstream rate is significantly lower than your planned speed, there may be a service issue that requires contacting your ISP for assistance or scheduling a technician visit. Update firmware. Connect your device to the modem using Ethernet cable, open a web browser, and type HTTP 192.168.0.1 into the web address field and log in using admin credentials. Go to Utilities and click Upgrade Firmware. If upgrade is available, you will see a download button. Click on it to download the file. Select Save As and select Desktop to save the file. Select Browse and open desktop path. Select Save Files and click Open, then select Upgrade Firmware. The screen will show the upgrade installation progress for about 2 minutes, followed by a reboot message indicating the modem will restart for approximately 3 minutes. After the upgrade, wait 2 to 5 minutes before testing your connection by browsing a web page. Reposition the router. Physical barriers like brick walls, large appliances, and water containers can block your Wi Fi signals, so try to reposition your router to minimize these obstacles between it and your connected devices. And contact CenturyLink. There might be an issue with the modem or the incoming connection from the main hub. Reach out to CenturyLink for further assistance. To contact CenturyLink support, you can call 1-800-244-1111 from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. CT Monday through Friday. For chat support, live representatives are available from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. CT 7 days a week. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. You can also send a text message to 888-320-3452 for assistance with various issues including billing and repairs.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.